Hello guys, welcome to the video. I hope you all are well. I am back to my hometown Purnea, and it has been a pretty long journey from Australia till Purnea, about which I have talked in detail in my previous video. If you have not watched that yet, please go back to my channel or click on the link in the end of the video and watch that video. That is very informative. So currently I'm in my hometown Purnea, and I am exploring Purnea in a very different way. I have lived here my whole life, but the POV which I am getting now is entirely different. So to give you a view of an overview of the city, I am going to create a series of videos from Purnea, Bihar, one of the most beautiful city in the state of Bihar. I will show you the culture, the places, the people of this beautiful city in the upcoming videos. But for now, to start with, I am going to show you my backyard. So I will show you all the plants, all the fruits, vegetables, spices which we have in the backyard here, and this will follow with more and more videos from the city. So stay tuned. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead, subscribe so that you do not miss the upcoming videos. Let me start with these beautiful healthy papaya trees. So you can see there are around 5 of papaya trees here, and all of these are bearing hefty amount of fruits. See, look at this. This is the smallest and contains lots of fruits. Following the papaya tree, let me show you the lentils. So these ones which are around 11 to 12 feet tall are the Arhar Daal. If you have never seen the plants of Arhar Daal, so this is how it looks. There are some dal also in this. You can see these ones, these black ones. Let me show you around. This has created a nest for itself. Look at this. These are so tall. Look at this. Beautiful. The only demerit of having these is these create bigger shades, and it does not allow other things to grow properly around it. So that is one thing to keep in mind if you are sowing Arhar Daal. But these are great natural curtains. If you want curtain or blinds around the perimeter of the house, you can plant these, and these provide a great curtain. These remain like this for 5 to 6 months, so you get double benefits. You get privacy, you get lentils, and these sticks are pretty strong, which are later used for fuel combustion, or you can use it for other purposes as per your need as well. So these all are lentils. Let's move to the another produce that we have here. These are corianders mixed with some grasses, but mostly corianders. These are some plant leaves, saag. These are mustard saag, sarson saag. And next to the sarson saag are these beautiful banana plants. You can have a look at these beautiful banana plants, and you can see the banana as well in one of these trees. Beautiful. Moving ahead, here we have some smaller plants. These are the flower plant. These smaller ones are the spices. These are haldi, And then we have a money plant here, grown quite big. I remember putting this money plant here. This was just this big, very small, and now look at the length of this. And what else do we have here? Let's have a look around. Let's go to the other side. This is a fallen guava tree and the new branches are coming up. These are beans. Same, these are same. And another papaya tree here. In the back, the biggest one is this mango tree. There are a couple of mango trees here, one there and another one there. And then there is this lemon tree here. What else do we have inside? Lemon tree, and then again some flower plant inside. This is the lemon tree. Oh, we can see some lemons there as well. Can you see the lemon? Try to move a bit closer. Yeah, there. Okay, let's move ahead. What else do we have here? All right, so here is the basil, the tulsi plant. Couple of tulsi plants, small aloe vera, and here start the series of chilies. We have a big chili plant here. You can see the fresh produce and the dried chilies here, and then we have some more chili plants on this side. See all these chili plants planted very nicely, and they all have been given a proper support. You can see the thread has been tied around it to keep it standing. And at the end here we have the spring onions, the fresh onions. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And then we have some friends. See, lizard. Look at this. Looks so sharp. There is one chili here. Let's pick this. Yay. You can see there are so many chilies in this. Every plant has fruits. Every plant has spices. On the other side here we have some flower plants. So you can see the land of Purnea is very fertile. If you use it properly, it can suffice your need of daily veggies. So if you have a land, if you can do it, if you have time to do it, grow your own vegetables. I have created another video where I grew some vegetables at my home in Australia, and I showed you a comparison of how beneficial it is to grow your own vegetables. And the same I am doing here. I am creating content to show you what you can do with a piece of land. This is the best use of a piece of land. It gives you food, it gives you greenery, it gives you fresh air. So if you can, go ahead and grow your own vegetables. This was my greenery, my peace of mind, and a small contribution to the nature and to my pocket, because these things, when you grow in your backyard, these definitely help save a bit of cost, which you could use towards the other bigger things. So if you can grow your vegetables, go ahead. And if you need any help, if you need any suggestion, if you want to ask questions, feel free to put those in the comment section, and I will be very happy to reply them as soon as possible. If you have not watched my other videos where I have talked about the vegetables which I grew in Australia, go ahead to my channel and watch the video. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe it now, and I will see you soon in another video. Thank you.